So this video is in continuation to my last video, which was based on the clarity of niche. So some of you asked me that how exactly can I find my niche initially. So again, I would repeat the same, that to start with, you cannot predict which industry you can work with or which industry you can enter in. So the best way for doing it is that initially you just go for the hunt of more and more work, and you try to build your strong portfolio, because once you do it, then you will have the upper hand by saying the client that yes, I've worked with 5 different people who are from the same industry. So to start with, again, you can just go with the a random industry, with any kind of industry. And once you find the clarity that what kind of clients are actually getting the results from your work, then you will have the potential to reach out to those type of more customers and acquire them and give them more and more results. So that was all in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much.